Hello everyone and welcome to 𝐓𝐲𝐻𝐻𝐻 Productions. Today we are diving into the world of Photoshop and tackling one of its most fundamental features, layers. Layers are like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other, allowing you to edit different parts of your image independently. Mastering layers is crucial for creating complex compositions and achieving non-destructive editing. Creating layers. There are several ways to create new layers. Number 1. Click the Create a New Layer icon at the bottom of this Layers panel. Number 2. Go to Layer, New, Layer. Number 3. Use the keyboard shortcut for Windows user, Shift-Ctrl-N. For Mac user, Shift-Command-N. Each new layer appears above the currently selected layer, allowing you to build your image element by element. Organizing layers. Keeping your layers organized is the key. Number 1. Rename layers by double-clicking their name in the Layers panel. Number 2. Change the order of the layers by dragging and dropping the layers up or down. Number 3. Group layers together by selecting them and clicking the Create a New Group icon. This helps manage complex projects. Editing on specific layers. To edit the elements on a specific layer, simply click on it in the Layers panel. This ensures any edits you make, like adding text, applying filters, or using brushes, which will affect only that layer. Seeing through layers. Sometimes you might want to use lower layers while working on top ones. For that, hold down the Alt key for Windows or Option key for Mac users, and click on a layer's thumbnail to temporarily hide the layers above it. Release the key to bring them back. Locking layers. Locking layers prevents accidental edits. Click the lock icons next to the layer's name to lock its position, visibility, or both. Conclusion. Layers are the foundation of effective editing in Photoshop. Experiment, practice, and explore different ways to use them to unlock your creative potential. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to use layers. Find what works best for your workflow. Bonus tip. Explore blending modes in the Layers panel to achieve various effects like creating overlays, adding shadows, and adjusting opacity. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions about layers, please leave them in the comment section below. Follow my Facebook page over here, 𝐓𝐲𝐻𝐻𝐻 Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, 𝐓𝐲𝐻𝐻𝐻 Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.